All right, welcome back. This is class 3, exercise 2, class 3, exercise 2. And up to now, in all the classes, we've been looking at code and fixing code and code level issues. Uh, SQL injection was a big item, looking at parameterized queries, etc. And in this particular case, we're going to start to go a bit more logical and look at some of the logical problems that we have in a web application that are nonetheless security holes. So the way to complete this exercise is to just log into web app and log in as admin. Then we're going to log out and we're going to log in as regular users. And then we're going to see if as a regular user we can see the admin uh, interfaces, right? As a regular user, you shouldn't be able to see the admin interface. That's a no-no, right? And let's see what happens if we can actually add a user as the regular user. If we could do an administrative function and add a user. Let's see if that works. That's what we're going to try to find out to see if we can exploit this vulnerability. So we created we're going to come here to uh, web app, and notice it redirects us to here to log in the web app. And here we're going to type in student and student. And where do we end up? We end up at regular interface.php. So in other words, we are redirected to the regular user interface, not to the administrative user interface. But the question is, can we see it? Can we see the admin-interface.php? Yes or no? What do you think? Hmm? Oh my gosh, look at that. As a regular user, we just were able to see the admin interface. And so that basically takes us all the way to here. Well, we skipped over this part because we know we can log as an admin user. We went over this part, so we know we can log in as an admin user. We saw that we can jump over. Now we're going to log in as the regular user and see if we can create a user. And even more interestingly, can we add somebody that's actually an administrator? That would be interesting if we can create an administrator. So let's find out. I'm going to create here dumb and dumber, the dumber password, the this is a very secure password, the dumber at example.com, city Fouville, and state is denial, zip code, some sort of zip code. And let's just, for the sake of argument, say we're going to add an admin user. We just added a Dumb and Dumber admin user. OMG. Now the Dumb and Dumber user hasn't logged in, right? They have no session ID, but they are certainly logged in. So this application has a logical vulnerability because the admin interface is not locked down. So anybody can come into it. Any user can come and see the admin interface, um, even without having the privileges to see it. Now, hopefully, it's not that stupid so that if I go here, I'm logged out as admin interface, right? I cannot see it. So no cookie detected, no cookies for you, go back to login. So it's not quite that dumb, but still, as a student, uh, I can see the regular interface and I can jump right over to the admin interface and I can create a user. So let's see if this dedummer actually works. So boom, and boom. And oh my gosh, I just logged in as an admin user. I got redirected directly to the admin interface because obviously I'm an administrator. So that is not very ideal. And just to see if this actually happened in the back end, this travesty, we look here and sure enough, Dumb and Dumber got added as an administrator. you might say that that's a problem. Okay, so we've proven out there's another vulnerability in this app. That is class 3, exercise 2 complete. Thank you.